cultural capital of Korea, designated as a UNESCO City of Gastronomy, the city of Hanok, Jeonju. We will introduce the top 3 hotels for tourists. If you want to receive hotel informations every evening, please click the subscribe button. 4-star Hanok House located in the heart of Jeonju. Right in Jeonju Hanok Village. Rooms are a bit small but clean and fully equipped. There are many restaurants and cafes around. Water purifier and microwave provided. The accommodation is located right in the middle of the Hanok village, so it is very convenient for sightseeing. The accommodation is designed in the style of a traditional Hanok house, and has a large yard in front. There are many trees around the accommodation, so it is very cool and pleasant. The room has a bed on the first floor, and there is a staircase leading to the mezzanine floor. The room is fully equipped, with a kitchenette area with a refrigerator and microwave. Located right inside Jeonju Hanok Village. Perfect for exploring the Hanok Village area. Clean room with great heating and comfortable mattress. Serving delicious breakfast with various fruits, rice cakes, sweet potatoes. Kind and helpful hosts bring you a wonderful stay. Get the cheapest hotel booking link in the description box.